have to breathe. Shun. Shun. You have to breathe, okay? Breathe.
Oh!
Shun.
Don't.
Yeah, baby.
Oh!
You got it. You got it. You got it, baby. You got it. You got it. Babe.
Across the top of it,
Babe, look at me. Look. It's time, okay?
my fault.
You hear me? You got this. You got it. You made it through labor. You look, see? You made it through labor. It's time to get your baby, okay?
Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Listen to
Listen.
me. I want you to
Listen.
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 If you're gonna have this baby, we need you to turn. We need you to scoot back over this way for us, okay?
You want to push?
Come on.
You ready? 1,
She
2.
said have this step over.
Come on. Get a little longer.
There you go. Okay.
Oh.
We'll get your legs up the stirrups now, okay?
It's
What hurts?
Look at that, babe.
Oh.
You got it. You got it. I'm right here. Shun. Shun. It's your time to do this, okay? I'm right here. I'm right beside you. I'm not far away.
She's not far away at all.
You're not on the edge anymore. That's all that is.
Yeah, you were trying to crawl out the bed.
I'm talking. I'm right here.
Just on the bottom, okay?
She's here. I can't hear. I can't
You
hear.
got it. You can hear. You can hear.
Oh, that feels good.
So get rid of that fire down there, huh?
Yeah. You got it, babe. Hey, breathe through. Breathe through. You have to breathe.
Oh, it's you said it done.
Breathe. Breathe.
Oh.
Breathe. Okay?
Ah.
Breathe, baby. Okay. Look. Listen, breathe, son. Breathe, son.
Now listen to me. Okay? Your next contraction, you're gonna pull behind your legs and you're gonna push. You're gonna have a baby back behind here. Right here, behind your knees.
Hey, you gotta be into it, okay? You gotta be here. Pull behind your legs. You gotta get behind. There you go.
Instead of that screaming, you're gonna take a good deep breath in and you're gonna push right through your body. No screaming.
It's hard.
Yeah,
I know.
But you gotta breathe through, okay?
You've made it this far, we're gonna have a baby.
There you
I
go.
want to cry. It's hard.
But you're not crying, you're
Am I
screaming.
crying? I'm not crying?
You're not crying.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, I don't know what my nose is. It's coming.
It's
though.
there.
It's
It's
coming. It's coming.
Take a deep
Okay,
breath in,
deep
no
breath.
screaming.
No scream.
And push.
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 There you go. Push, 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 push.
You got it, babe.
Come on. You're
You
doing
got
good.
it.
Come on, you can do it.
You got There you
Okay,
got it.
take
Deep
another
breath.
good breath and do it
Hey,
again.
focus on pushing. Focus
Hold
on
that breath in
pushing.
and push.
You got it. You
Come
got
on,
it.
push.
You
Now
got
you
it.
gotta push.
You got it.
Come on, push.
Okay. You got it. You got it. You have to calm down. You have to breathe.
Hey, listen to me. Listen.
Listen.
This isn't gonna work like this. You gotta straighten these hips out. No screaming.
Come on.
Push
Can I
and
get a second? Can I get a second? I can't breathe.
Listen to your
I can't
doctor,
breathe.
okay?
You can
Straighten
breathe.
up.
You're talking.
Give me a second, please.
You're almost there, okay?
almost
You got it.
there.
You got it. You got it. Okay, now straighten up like they told you, okay?
Oh, look.
And leave your when you're pushing, leave these legs open. If you close them, you're kind of closing his pathway out.
Oh, that hurt.
What hurts?
Hold on. There you go. Oh.
Okay, hey, look, you gotta not scream, okay? Hold the breath in.
Deep breath in.
Deep breath, babe.
And just
Deep
push.
breath. Deep breath.
Wise men say,
Breathe. Head up. Head up. Leg open. Head up.
burn.
You can't. Don't close. Don't close. Head up, babe. There you go, babe. Hey, chin to your chest.
Have a baby.
Shall I
what?
She's still looking for her nose. Babe.
Yeah.
You did it, babe. You did it.
Go river
Yes, ma'am.
surely to the sea.
There you go. Right here,
And
middle,
so
right
it
here.
goes. Some things
Hi, baby.
take my hand, take my whole life, all for I can.
Hi, Christian.
Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Hi, baby.
Won't take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you.
So, good morning, everyone. Today is July 4th. Happy 4th of July. I know this vlog is up super late because we're attending to him, but happy 4th of July nonetheless. Baby boy was born yesterday, July 3rd, 2017 at 3:40 p.m. I already told you guys that. I put him down. I put him down. Okay. She's so in love. It's so cute. Shun is doing perfectly fine. Shun delivered all natural. Like I said, I know I said that in the snippet before this, but I am extremely proud of my wife. Like, I can't say enough how proud of her I am. Like, it was scary, y'all. Whew, it was scary, and so I'm really proud of her that she stuck to what she wanted to do. She didn't give in, and I know a million women give birth naturally, but to see the strength come from my wife made it just even more amazing. So that was awesome to witness. I did not witness Christian coming out of the cooch. I couldn't watch that because I knew I couldn't handle it. Like, I watched the videos on YouTube of other people, and I was like, okay, I'll prepare myself for it. But then when the time came, like when her water broke and she was on the birthing ball, and every time she would rotate her hips on the birthing ball and she would get to the front, it would like squirt amniotic fluid at me, and I was just like, dear Lord, no, I cannot watch that birth. So that's what I did. I didn't watch the birth. You want to come show them Christian? Oh, sure. Come show them. Say hi, honey. Say hi to the world. I look a mess. This is our baby boy, Christian Alexander Freeman. 6 pounds, 12.1 ounces, 19 inches long. He is everything. He is just the snuggliest little thing ever. We just love him so much. He has no eyebrows. Like, I think that's just so weird. And he has freckles on his nose and no eyebrows and like 3 eyelashes. I study his face. He's so cute. You did great, babe. Thank you.
Oh, for I